Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to download a Chrome extension for free that will allow you to summarize web pages like news articles, um, etc. It will also let you summarize YouTube video transcripts and any other websites basically, but it's mostly for like long pages of content that you can find online. Again, this extension is free. You can download it from Google's Chrome web store. You also need a Chrome browser for it, and you finally need Google Gemini API key, which you can get for free. Again, you don't need to pay anything for this. I created this app for myself, but I thought I would share it with others as well. There's no information that is being collected. Everything is stored locally, etc. The only thing is that when you click on summarize website, um, it will send a request to Gemini. So Google does see the content of the page if you wanted to summarize it. But yeah, again, I don't know how they deal with it. I'm sure they anonymize it, etc. So again, just to start and explain to you how this works is as a first step, you need to download AI Page Summarizer from Chrome Web Store. I'll put a link in the description page of this video. I already have it installed, that's why it's grayed out. Once you've installed it, you need to make it pinned to the taskbar here because every time you want to summarize a page, you'll need to click it and it will summarize the page. Then you also need to obtain a um, Gemini API key. So once you go to aistudio.google.com/apps/API keys, you can click on create API key. You can name your project test 123, just as an example. I'll create a new one, test 123. I created it, and then I will then create a key. So that's it. I now created an API key that I'll need to add to the Chrome extension. So if I click on it, and then if I go to my summarizer page, yeah. So again, just as an example, let's look at this news story from BBC, right? It's a long article about Tottenham and their latest defeat. So if I click on this Chrome um, extension, you can see here I can enter my Gemini API key that I just copied. Then I need to save it, and it says save successfully. That's it. Then I can change the size of the font. I don't like 14, I like 13. I like the output to be in a nice format, so I say markdown, and I want the summary to be in 140 words. You can change it up or down, right? It's up to you. So let's let's leave it at 140, for example, right? And then I'll hide the settings and I click summarize. So that's the whole story, and then you can copy to clipboard. Again, if you wanted to change the settings, you click on hide settings, and then it will show you the settings, and then here you can make the summary short or longer. Yeah, and then you can copy it to clipboard as well if you wanted to. Now, if we go to another page and then, I don't know, let's look at, these are the videos. So let's look at some other stories, right? So let's look at this story, right? So if I click on it, it automatically summarizes the story. It says fetching content, right? I didn't click any button apart from clicking this, and it's already summarized it. During the fetching process, a summarize button is grayed out. So again, let's look at another story. Again, like if you click on this button, see it, you don't, once you click on it, the summarization request starts, and then it gives you the summary of that match report. You can even do the summary of YouTube videos, right? So if I click on this YouTube video, it's a 42-minute long video. If I click on it, it will summarize the transcript content this video, right? And here's a summary. So as you can see, it all works fine. And yeah, if you have any feedback, please do let me know. But as I said, this is a free tool that you could use. All you need to do is to download it from the Chrome Web Store. It's a Chrome extension. Thank you. Bye bye.